Farmer who flipped car off his land found not guilty of criminal damage.
This was kind of funny. Okay.
Oh my goodness. So this is somebody. Oh.
To protect himself and his home.
Wow.
One of the car's passengers tries to stop him. But Mr. Hooper had had enough, forcing the car off his drive, left there as the owner and his friends drank in the sun. The jury today decided this was reasonable force used to defend his property after hearing that moments before this footage, he was punched when he asked the driver to move it himself.
Oh.
Farmers,
The
man.
fourth-generation farmer and his wife left court, a moment of relief. Mr. Hooper was found not guilty of dangerous driving or causing criminal damage. Instead, his friends say he dealt with a growing issue of people mistreating the countryside.
It gives people a picture that, what life can be like when, you live in quite a remote place. And please come and enjoy it. We want you to enjoy it, but with a bit of respect.
It just shows that these people can't just come and cause trouble in the area and get away with it.
So what happens if we don't get a result like this? We could expect a lot more of such like to happen.
Something, though, this farmer hopes will never happen again. A chance now to go back home, comforted by the support of his friends and family.
Thank you very much, everybody. We're
Wow.
Sangeeta Lal,
It is kind of surprising that he. Well, first of all, obviously he went to this extent.
What a dramatic video.
Yeah, definitely. First
Flipping
of all,
the car with a bulldozer.
definitely that he went to the extent to just lift the car and flip it straight out, but also that the people refuse to move it. Like, it's his land. What are you gonna?
Like, did he give him the final warning when he's
Well,
rolling up?
he got punched. He got punched in the face.
No, I mean, like,
allegedly.
That was before he got the tractor, I think, though.
Yeah,
I think he asked him. But when the guys are sitting there in the car and he's kind of going slow and they see him coming, that's kind of like a warning, like, hey, maybe we should get going now. And then we start hitting
No,
the
because
car.
it's like any fight. It always turns into, you won't do it.
Yeah.
You won't do it.
Yeah,
And it's
right.
like, yeah, I will. And then he's just lifting it up.
Well,
What's
what are they
also
doing
interesting
there?
is how his little unit there, he got like the forklift. I guess he uses it for moving hay or whatever.
Sure.
But what's cool about it is it's also so tough and rugged. The guy's trying to kick it and open it, and it's not budging one bit.
No.
His unit.
That thing is like a tank.
And the guy got clipped a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like that would hurt.
And then if you notice in the second clip, the car is upright. So he actually put it on its tires. Because when he first flips it, it lands on its back, right? Let's see here. Let's get to the bottom of this. Okay, he lifts it like this from the rear end, up over the fence, I guess, and then it lands on its side.
It's like the Vans.
No, I think this one, no, it's staying on its side, and then he pushes, and then you get a cut. But it's definitely on its side. So he takes the time to get it upright.
And then he hits the guy.
Like as if
Wait,
the guy...
is it upright?
Yeah.
Or it's upside down.
It's still
It's still upside down. Okay,
He's got to figure it out on his own.
Never mind. He's not trying to... It looks like it's perfectly parked on the road, but it's just upside down. Oh, man. But yeah,
He just drives
listen,
off.
he was pissed off, that's for sure.
No,
And
I was confused. I thought they were in the car. They were drinking. The car was parked there.
That's right.
And then that's why. Okay, I get it.
That's right. He told him to get out of there. It's his land.
And then he
can't
punched him.
Drink on there.
Yeah.
And then he retaliated, allegedly. And then, obviously, due to video evidence here, we know what the consequences were.
Yeah.
Crazy.